Welcome to Insider Destination, where you wonder more, worry less. But today, we found a place that locals don't just talk about. Deep in the forest beyond Jogini Falls lies a secret paradise, untouched and unheard of. You won't just see this in any tourist. No shops, no crowd, just the sound of this Gori waterfall. 20 minutes hike from Vashish temple. Crystal clear, ice cold, magical. You want real adventure?
East starts where the roads end.
This is Insider Destination. Wonder more, worry less. Subscribe now for more hidden gems you said never heard of.